Let's solve the equation. 8 raised to the power x is equal to 32. Let's expand. 8 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 all raised to the power x to be equal to 32 can also be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which gives us 2 raised to the power 3 also raised to the power x to be equal to 2 raised to the power 5. Expanding, 2 raised to the power 3x is also equal to 2 raised to the power 5. Having the same base, we can now equate the powers, which is 3x is equal to 5. Let's divide both sides of the equation by 3. 3x divided by 3 is equal to 5 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we are left with x to be equal to 5 over 3, which is also equal to 1 whole number 2 over 3. X equal to 1 whole number 2 over 3 is the solution to the above equation.